All right, folks, today we're in a 2019 Mercedes E450 Coupe, a car that has factory wired CarPlay, along with many other Mercedes models from this era, the late 2010s, early 2020s. However, this form of CarPlay is not wireless, which many cars from this era were. A bit disappointing that Mercedes did not have wireless CarPlay until more recent times, but we can fix that with this little device over here, an Ottocast wireless CarPlay or Android Auto adapter. We'll give it a shot and see how it goes. This should actually make CarPlay wireless for this car. Pretty nice adapter to have, so we'll try it out and see how it goes. The idea for this guy really is pretty simple. You just kind of plug it into your USB port of the car that you normally would use for CarPlay, except this guy will be the receiver for your wireless CarPlay. It comes with a USB-C cable, and that should be all we need to get started. Now, for cars like this E450, you will need to plug this into the USB port in the little center console over here because it does show a little icon of a phone. I did try the center console USB port. That does not work, unfortunately. You can choose automatically or manually. I'll press automatically. Let's go down over here, press accept and start.
And it truly is that simple. Using CarPlay is nearly identical to using CarPlay wired with the factory system. You can use either the touchpads on the steering wheel like I'm using here, or the scroll wheel in the middle, or the touchpad in the middle. This car has 3 different input methods. Audio quality is identical as well, at least as far as I can tell, and overall things just work as you'd expect. You can see there's a tiny bit of lag between scrolling pages, but that's pretty much the same as wired CarPlay, to be honest, and it's also because I'm recording a video with my phone while using CarPlay. Well folks, that wraps up this video. I know it's very short, but hopefully it was useful to you in some capacity. While this device does play a very minor role, it actually does make the experience of using this car a little bit better, because just having wireless CarPlay, a very first world problem, does make life a little bit easier. Leave a like if it helped you, and consider subscribing for more content like this. See you guys in the next one.
If you guys like this video and all my content so far, check out sta-industries.com and check out all the German car apparel I have, especially M15 stick stuff. I have license plate frames, cool hoodies, sweaters, high quality stuff with nice embroidery. Check it out, you won't regret it. I'm always posting new stuff on the website, including ML stuff coming soon, specifically ML63 engine rebuild stuff, as it's pretty relevant to what I'm doing right now. But yeah, check out what I already got in there. Lots of cool M156 stuff that I really enjoy wearing while I work on my cars. There is also other Mercedes stuff already up there, like for my SL500, M119 stuff, including a lot of BMW apparel as well, so go check it out.